Welcome to another Python tutorial video. In this video, we are going to talk about dictionaries in Python. So let's begin with the definition of a dictionary. Dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of items. It is used to store huge amount of data values and map them in key value pairs. Dictionaries are written in curly brackets and each item has a key and its values. The properties of a dictionary: it can be ordered or unordered. When we talk about dictionaries being ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Unordered means that the item does not have a defined order. We cannot refer to an item using an index. Secondly, dictionaries are mutable in nature. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add, or remove items after the dictionary has been created. And thirdly, it cannot have duplicates. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. So let's begin by creating a dictionary first. The name of my dictionary is disdict, and we can see that there are two keys, fruit and vegetables. Let me just put them within a list. We can see that there are two keys, fruit and vegetable, with three values each. If we want to access the keys, we write this dict, which is the name of the item, dot keys. The keys are fruit and vegetable. Since we know that it is a key value pair, so we also need to access the value of a key. So suppose let's type key name as fruit first. It gives us three values. Now, if we want to see the value of vegetable, it gives us the value. Now, if you want to find the number of keys, so we write print, we use the length function and write the name of the item. Here we are. It shows the two keys indexing. Since we know Python is a zero-based indexing language, let's find out the position of a value in a key. Let's write this dictionary. Let's say fruit. And let's say we want to find the third position. So since it's a zero-based indexing language, we write it as 2. And the third position of fruit is grapes. Same for vegetable. Say we want to find the first position. So we write 0 and here we are with potato. Since we know that dictionary is mutable in nature, so we can update, add or remove items. So let's start with it. So let the item in the second position be orange. And we want to print. So we can see that we have updated the value of fruit to orange. Now, if you want to add new value to a key, for that, let's say that in vegetable, we want to add carrot. We write this dictionary. Write vegetable in the key name, and the value that we want to add is carrot. And now we want to print. So here we can see vegetable has carrot. We can also remove keys from a dictionary. So we use dictionary dot pop function and say we want to remove fruit, the key name fruit. So, and then print this dictionary. So we see that the fruit part has been removed and we are only left with vegetable. Now, if we want to remove all the elements from a dictionary, we write this dictionary dot here. And if we want to check if everything has been cleared, we write As we can see that there are curly brackets, but there's no key value pairs within it. Since we know that list has a list within list, tuple within a list, so why cannot dictionary have dictionaries within it? So let's take an example and see if we can have dictionaries within a dictionary. So say we have India as the item name, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Goa as the key, and the values are its capital. Now we want to print India. We can see that we can print dictionary within a dictionary. So that's all about this video. Hope you like this video. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe to the Ivy's YouTube channel. Thank you so much.